This might be it. This might be it. I did it! I did it! Yes, right!
That's Stop crying! Why did you did it ba? Dati lumay right up here and then... Let me see. Tell me about it. That's Gigi. Uy, Daddy Lungani, my God. You did it? Aba, tell me na.
I got a rated level. I have a rated level.
Jesus, Ginoo. Na, you'll concentrate in studying na. Who rated it?
Rob Top, the owner of the game. I did it. I did it. I did it.
Not too loud na, not too loud. Congratulations, Vic. Congratulations. And then it's hard, demon pagod.
I did it. I did it. After so long.
Stop crying, Daddy Lungani, wait ka. Your voice reaches downstairs. Ay, kuya,
Kuya, I did it. I did it. This doesn't feel real.
That's the way come up running. Like that.
Yes, I did it.
Your dream. Oh, you have one dream down. You've been complaining about other people's rated level that are ugly.
No, they're not ugly. It's just not fair that I didn't have it in the first place, but I did it.
Is this your one?
This is mine. This is mine. I have creator points. I have creator points.
The creator points is the... Where's the creator points? The one, the stars?
No. Like, wait. Let me just. These points.
Oh,
they're the rarest stats in the game.
What are your rarest stats?
They can only be given by Rob Top himself.
Really?
Yes.
So creator points, you have creator points na.
Yes.
He rated it and then gave you creator points.
Yes.
Jesus, ka-idol-idolan mo kay Rob Top. Jesus. Sina. Okay. How did you just now?
Just now.
How about your friend here from Tacloban? Does she have creator points?
Yes, she does. Oh my gosh. There's no way. There's no way.
Ano nga, let's go?
That's just the slang. I can't believe this is real. Is this real?
Take a picture of it.
That's why I'm recording.
Oh, you're recording it now?
Oh my.
You have microphone on?
Yes.
Oh my god.
No way. Oh.